So next one, cancroid, Haemophilus eukaryote. The causative organism is Haemophilus eukaryote. And genital warts, human papilloma virus. Genital warts, name of the STD and caused by human papilloma virus. And hepatitis B, hepatitis B caused by HBV, hepatitis B virus. And AIDS, AIDS caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So these are different types of STDs and causative organisms. Chlamydiasis, Chlamydia trichomatis, Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea, and Trichomoniasis, Trichomonas vaginalis, and next one genital herpes, herpes simplex virus, syphilis, Treponema palladium, and cancroid, Haemophilus eukaryote, and genital warts, human papillomavirus HPV, and hepatitis B, hepatitis B virus, and AIDS, human immunodeficiency virus HIV. So after that, go through the different types of symptoms and detection techniques also. So no need to discuss. So the major symptoms are fluid discharge and itching sensation, burning. There is a swelling is takes place in the region of genital organs and throughout the body also. In this hepatitis B is related to liver. So jaundice, we discussed regarding about jaundice in digestion chapter. So liver related this is also one of the type of STIs. By the sexual contact, one person to another person it will get, right? And after that I will show some of the diagrams related to some of the images related to STIs. So before going that, grouping of STIs. So we discussed earlier, there is some of the STIs due to bacteria, some of due to virus, and some of due to different types of fungus and different types of microorganisms also. So by the bacteria STIs, bacterial STIs are what? Chlamydiasis, gonorrhea, syphilis. Chlamydiasis and gonorrhea, syphilis are examples for bacterial STIs. In the notes you can write. So viral STIs, genital herpes viral by the virus, and hepatitis B, HBV virus, and HIV, human immunodeficiency, and HPV, human papilloma virus. So these are viral diseases. Here we discussed in where we discussed here HPV, genital warts also, human papilloma virus. So these are viral STIs. And parasitic or fungal, candidiasis, that is yeast infection, so yeast fungus, and pubic lice or scabies, also one of the STIs, and trichomoniasis vaginalis, also one of the parasitic STI. So that is one of the parasitic STIs. But this is regarding about different types of grouping of STIs. So back some of the bacterial STIs, some of the viral STIs, and some of the parasitic or fungal STIs. So let us, I will show some of the diagrams related to STIs. For first one, we discussed ectopic pregnancy. So this is ectopic pregnancy. In the normal pregnancy, where the implantation is takes place in the region of uterus, but in the ectopic pregnancy, see, the ectopic pregnancy outside of the uterus and in the cervical region, so below region of uterus, so not in the endometrium of the uterus, implantation is not occurs. So this stage is called ectopic pregnancy. So this is also due to the what? Due to STIs. Next one, this is genital herpes. So the region of reproductive organ, the male penis, genital herpes, there is infection, lot of infection is there in the vagina also. This is genital herpes. And next one, and this is also gonorrhea. So there is different type of infections near to the vagina and the penis. So infection is takes place, right? And next one, HSV, HSV2 virus. So this is also infection which just takes place in the region of skin, and so this is syphilis. So a lot of infection is there, and in the skin also, throughout the body, in the region of neck and in the region of face also there is infection, lesions or takes place. So this is hepatitis B. So hepatitis B, normal liver, the person suffering with hepatitis B, liver with cirrhosis, liver cirrhosis is takes place, abnormal symptom. So that is hepatitis B. So liver undergoes infections in hepatitis B, and this is, you know this, what is this? The eyes with color, the eyeball color is change, so light yellowish greenish color. So in where, which disease? Jaundice, that is in hepatitis B only, right? So this is regarding about STIs and STDs. So go through the video class and as well as NCERT lines also, right? So go through once, go through this chart and causative organisms and STD names and different types of what groups of STDs also. And in next class we are going to discuss about infertility, right? Thank you very much. Bye bye.